This is a video of me and my friends, but I don't have much pictures, and I hope you like the song. It might sound weird because of the speed of it, but I don't know. But hope you like it. Damn, I hate being sober. I hate being sober. Damn, I hate being sober.